Hey guys, so this is bad. So just an update. So nagbubuga ng usok si Taal, and it's what, 2 a.m. and look at that. I don't know, it's dirt, smoke, or what have you. Medyo nalalanghap ko na nga siya eh. Ayan, oh. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but yan, medyo maalikabok at